Hey friends, hope you're doing well. Mama's got errands to do today. And apparently my son Ace has a crush, and him and his little friends got together and decided that they were all scared to ask their own crushes to be their Valentine. Like, what? 4th grade? But I was talking to Ed and I was like, wait, I think I had a boyfriend in 4th grade and I never broke up with him. And we never hugged and we never held hands and we never really talked. I wonder where he's at. Anyways, so they got all the friends to agree to like ask each other's crush, and they all said no. And then Ace's friend was gonna ask Ace's crush last, and Ace was like, no, never mind, I'll do it because you all have bad luck. So he actually went up to his crush and said, will you be my Valentine? And she said yes. Who would not say yes to my son? Like, who wouldn't? Mind you, I don't know what this means. I don't know what it means, but I have been instructed, well, I've been asked that when I go to Sam's Club, if I can stop over to Walmart, which is next door, and get a Twix for her, because he wants to give her a Twix because that's her favorite candy bar. Adorable, right? Anyways, in other news, I got some maternity leggings, and these don't even look like maternity leggings. Like, I don't even think I can fit in these, from Amazon, because 2 pairs of black leggings is not cutting it, and I'm tired of wearing black all the time. So I got like this lavender purple color. We'll try it, we'll see. And then I also got one more black just to have, because you can never have too many black. And then I have a gray. I'm wearing a gray, and don't, like, this is not matching today, guys, but I have like a gray. Anyways, I should probably get out of this lighting because it's really not very good lighting. Okay, that's a little bit better. I am now outside of Sam's Club. We are going to run inside and see if we can get some Valentines, because the 2 little girls, I have to get Valentines for their class, and I think Elia's class is optional. Of course, I'm going to get it for her class as well. And according to my calculations, if I get like 3 or 4 sets of what I hope is here, the twins will have some extra to give out to like some of their close friends as well, because their classes, the 4th grade class, is not doing Valentines this year. Also, I'm going to grab a couple things that I just need for the house. I just stocked up on fruits. I should probably get some veggies, like some broccoli or something. And yeah, we're gonna go about our day. Need to go to the post office, need to exchange some stuff from Amazon. So before I go in, I'm gonna look through my little catalog just to see if there's any sales. Oh my gosh, they have chocolate covered strawberries. Yum. See if there's any sales before I go in, so I can just be a little bit smart about this shopping trip, okay? What else do we have on the agenda for today? I'm gonna pick up the kids. We're gonna get homework done. I do have a Green Chef meal that I'm gonna make later on, and it's my favorite one, so I'm so excited about it. It is so flavorful and yummy. I have leftovers from what I made for the kids last night, so they're gonna finish that up, and then I'm gonna make Ed and I kind of like a date night special meal with the Green Chef meal tonight. So let's go. All right. Back in the car. That was a successful trip. Spent more than I should have, but that's life, you know. I was able to get the Valentines. Like, how stinking cute are these? They were $10.48, I believe, and there's 24 of them. And can you see how cute are these? They're little like gumball tubes, and they already have the to and from tag on it. Easy peasy win, and it's not like everyone else and their mom running to Target and getting the same snacks. And then I also got these Swirl Pops Valentine lollipops, and this was also $10.49 for 24 of them. Each one of Tolly and Lily's classes have 24 kids. Perfect. So they can take one of these and write them in themselves, or they can mix and match. And just to have a backup, I also got these Fun Dips. There's 40 of them for $6.48. There's like a Raz apple and a cherry, I think. Yeah, I don't know. So I know that I needed to get 3 because I know that the other kids are going to want to give some to their friends, and whatever the kids do decide not to use, I will save for Easter, and I will save for goodie bags for birthday parties coming up. So, but I did get vegetables because I've been craving green beans lately. If you're new, I'm pregnant. That's why I'm craving these Doritos and green beans. I don't know. So yeah.
Avana, come with me.
All right, so Ace is gonna go get a Twix for his Valentine. How is she? Can you explain to me this young lady that you like?
She's my age.
She's your age. Is she in your class?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
She has golden,
Oh, golden.
well, no. Golden brown hair and
Wow, that's
she has
I
curls.
love that description.
We play together at recess. She's,
Cute. Okay, here you go. Do you think you can handle using a credit card? Do you know how to do it? So you go get the Twix, and then he's gonna bring it up, and then you slide it in. You do not have to sign anything. And then when it says remove, you remove, and that's it, okay?
what happens if it says sign? Do you want me to just...
Yeah, but it's not gonna, yeah, you could just sign your name. Okay?
There, come on.
And if he says anything, just say my mom's right there, and I can see him, and I'll wave to him. Okay? Okay? How stinking cute is this? Oh my goodness. I can't.
So stinking cute.
So stinking cute, aren't they?
Yeah.
So stinking cute.
Yeah.
Make sure you stay buckled up, girls. I don't know why you're unbuckling.
I wanna look.
Do your guys' kids do that? Unbuckle every time the car is in park? You're not even getting out. Go ahead, but make sure you put your wrapper in your backpack.
Okay.
You got it, Ace?
Yeah.
Take good care of it. Okay guys, I have got Ace at football practice and I've got dinner in the oven for the kids. The girls are just relaxing, watching a show. It's all calm in the house right now, so it's a perfect time for me to get dinner started for Ed and I. I'm gonna be making a really special, yummy meal, one of our favorites from Green Chef. Thank you to Green Chef for sponsoring this portion of this video. So after going back and forth with my husband about what we are going to cook, we decided we're gonna do the hoisin beef bowls. This is one of my favorites. I also have pork patties with piccata sauce, which I'm gonna make later on this week. Honey mustard chicken salad, which we're gonna make tomorrow for lunch since my husband is gonna be working from home. But tonight it's hoisin beef bowls. Let's get started. I was cracking up when I first started filming this video because when I took the brown bag out of the refrigerator, my husband was like, ooh, mama's cooking good tonight. I'm always super excited before I make a Green Chef meal because I know that it's gonna have step-by-step instructions and it's gonna taste good every single time. These meal kits really help you cook, clean, delicious dinners week after week with step-by-step recipes and pre-measured premium ingredients that save you time. Green Chef is a CCOF certified organic meal kit company, and they're really changing the meal kit subscription game with there's so many options like every lifestyle, including keto, paleo, vegan, vegetarian, fast and fit, Mediterranean, and gluten-free. With Valentines coming up, I really feel like you can impress somebody because you really can't go wrong with the step-by-step instructions, chef tips, and photos that guide you to follow the recipe perfectly so it comes out amazing every single time. And you can enjoy your greens while being green. Green Chef is the most sustainable meal kit, offsetting 100% of the plastic in every box and 100% of their carbon footprint and emissions. And Green Chef's experts carefully curate every single recipe so you can enjoy nutritious, restaurant quality dishes at home without compromising on taste. Their variety of meals are constantly changing and it's really easy to follow the recipes, and there's something new to discover every single week so you never get bored. But your favorites keep popping up too, like this one. We love this one. Every time I see it, I have to snag it. And most of all, Green Chef saves me time. Saves me time meal planning, grocery shopping, and most of the prep week after week. These meal kits really do help me to create delicious meals, home-cooked meals that my husband is really excited and I'm really excited to eat as well. Pro tip, guys, if you have a lot of kids, it's okay to make a special meal for your husband and you occasionally. It's totally fine. It helps us have a little date night at home. The kids are fed, mommy and daddy have a grown-up special meal, and it just means a lot. Okay, are you ready for it? I wouldn't be explaining how much I love Green Chef and how amazing their meals are if I wasn't gonna give you an amazing deal. Go to greenchef.com and use my code Christy130 for $130 off plus free shipping on your first box. Yes, that's $130 off. I will also put the direct link below in my description to make it easy for you guys. And it's so funny because my husband just magically emerged from the garage when he smelled the food was done. Thank you, Green Chef, for partnering with me on this video. Here, babe, try this.
Ooh.
It's so good. Here, it's a little sriracha on it. It's good, huh? It's flavorful. It's beef, like a hoisin sauce and peppers and sriracha, peanuts, mushrooms.
Little seeds?
Yeah, like little black sesame seeds, I think. It's good, huh? Hey, buddy. Buddy, how was practice?
it was good. I mossed my friend Drew.
You mossed them?
The top and caught it. And then I got an interception today.
You excited for your game this weekend?
Yeah.
I'm excited too.
We're going
Veya's over here. Oh my gosh, my fridge is so stocked right now. I got some more Green Chef and HelloFresh meals, which I'm excited about. But look at my fridge right now. It's so stocked. Oh, sandwich meat's back there, right there. And there's some cheese in there. Yes, go ahead and have some appetizers, some potato skins. Girls, I made cookies. If you want to have one cookie before you brush your teeth, just pick one.
My mom makes the best cookies.
Just one. Just one. Cookie, cookie. Uh-oh, Bea, close the refrigerator.
I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Okay, so, and then we're gonna be doing some, you know what, maybe we'll do tomorrow. It's getting kind of late to put our names on these.
I want to tell them.
What? Tell them what?
I got a Valentine.
Oh, yeah, you got a Valentine, huh? What about her? I got a Valentine too.
I know who it is.
I think it's him.
That's the only person. It's not like doing something.
No, it's been him for the last 22 years.
22 years.
20. Yeah, mommy and daddy have been together. Actually, no, 20 years. We've been together since
How old were you?
2002,
Wait, when did you get married?
2009.
8 years. That was only
Yep, took us 7 years to get married. We were engaged for almost 2 years though.
very delicious.
Which one did you pick?
We all got.
Oh, I don't know if you guys saw. Now I can finally show you guys some of the little pictures of the baby.
Done.
And then here's the baby when they're older. Yep, okay, finish your cookies and we are going to wash hands, brush our teeth, get ready, read books, get ready for tomorrow, fill our water bottles, make sure we have our snacks ready. Yeah?
Mommy?
Tomorrow is Friday! Woo! Friday, and this weekend is Super Bowl.
And as you guys didn't know, there's no more masks at school anymore.
There's no more masks, but we may still wear masks. We want to protect ourselves, we want to protect others, we want to protect mommy and the baby, right? Yes. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.